Hi guys! Today I'm going to show you how to make easy strawberry muffins. Strawberries are in season right now, there's plenty of them everywhere, and this is a great way to use up some strawberries. All the ingredients are listed right below the video. Heat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius. I'm using 1 pound of fresh strawberries. You can use frozen. Wash them, hull them, and cut them into small pieces. Two and a quarter cup of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of whole milk, 1½ sticks of unsalted butter melted, 2 large eggs, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. To the all-purpose flour, I'll add 1 tablespoon baking powder. I like to use a sieve, half a teaspoon salt, and half a teaspoon ground cinnamon. If your baking powder is a little bit old and has some lumps in it, sieving is a great way to get them out. You definitely don't want to bite into a chunk of baking powder when you eat muffins. Mix that up. Add the eggs to a large bowl. The melted butter. Milk, lemon juice, vanilla extract. Mix this up. Sugar goes in. The flour mixture. Mix that until combined, and then add the strawberries. Stir the strawberries in gently, and that's our delicious muffin batter. Grease the muffin tin really well with butter or oil, or just use baking cups. It's best to use an ice cream scoop to measure out the batter so you get even muffins. There are going to be a lot of strawberries in each muffin. Fill them pretty much to the top. Give the pan a couple of taps on your counter to remove any air bubbles. You can sprinkle some sugar on top of the muffins if you'd like. They look pretty when baked. It is optional, you don't have to do it. I'm using Demerara sugar. These are larger crystals. If you have sanding sugar, you can use that, or just regular sugar is fine too. Bake in the heated oven for approximately 30 minutes. You can insert a toothpick into the middle, and if it comes out clean or with just a few crumbs, it's ready. The top is nice and crunchy. Muffins are soft, buttery, and there are plenty of strawberries in each bite. I hope you guys give this easy recipe a try, and let me know what you think in the comments below. Subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.